The treasure inside the bag. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a boy named Carlo. Every morning, he would see other children walking to school with their bags. But Carlo didn't want to go. "I don't need school," he said. "I just want to play all day." One day, Carlo's grandfather called him. He handed Carlo an old empty bag and said, "This bag is special. It can be filled with treasures, but only if you go to school." Carlo was curious, so he started going to school. Each day, he learned something new: how to read stories, solve numbers, and understand the world around him. Each time he learned, it felt like his bag grew heavier, even though nothing was inside. Years later, Carlo realized the truth. The treasure was not gold or silver, but knowledge. His bag was full of wisdom, skills, and dreams. With education, he was able to help his family and inspire others in his village. Carlo smiled and said, "Now I understand, Grandpa. Education is the greatest treasure of all." Moral lesson: education is a treasure that no one can steal. It gives us knowledge, skills, and a brighter future. Kamsahamnida.